I got here today is the Lisle 34550 bearing packer, and I'll show you how to load it and use it. I'll give you my thoughts on it. First thing we'll do is take the little dust cover off. We'll pull this out of here, and then we're going to fill it with grease. I'm going to wear some gloves with no coating on it, and we'll pack our grease into here. Well, we got the grease in there. Just take and pound it down, get it down to the bottom there. Then we'll take our little plunger here. This is where we put the bearing on, the small taper down. We'll go ahead and put that on there. Screw this on. And we'll go and push that in there. Push it down till the bearing fills up with grease and comes out the top. There we go. Bearings all packed. So if you don't buy bulk grease, you can fill it through this zerk fitting here, and then when you're all done, you can put the cover on here, put the plunger on there, and the little cover. Keep your grease nice and clean. I purchased this with my own money off of Amazon. It was pretty reasonable. This one is made in the States. There are several other ones that are a knockoff of this that are of questionable quality. So if you're going to spend the money to get one, I highly recommend this Lisle.